Hey guys, welcome to the video. In this video, just a quick clip showing how the Xtrons unit works in the Saab 9.3 with the steering wheel controls and an auto box. Some websites state it doesn't work. I contacted Connect2 directly. They said it may not work. They'd had some issues with before. So what I did, the links are in the description for the Xtrons unit, the fascia, the wiring that's needed to get it to work. So there we go. At the moment I'm playing something on Spotify. You see I'm adjusting the volume with the steering wheel controls up and down, and then I can change track. See it changing track. Anyway, I just wanted to give you that clip. Thanks for watching.